Hi friends, welcome to new video. This video I am going to show especially girls portrait photo editing tutorial video. Very easy tutorial video. You can also edit your photo. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's see tutorial video guys. Open Picsart app. Then click plus icon. All photos. Background. Add photo. Click this image, add. Blend. Screen. Add photo. Click this wings. Crop it. Add your photo. Here is a cut option. Cut your photo slowly. It will take few minutes. Then click this arrow. Fill it empty spaces. Then click save option. Decrease this. Here is a erase option. Click this. Erase it. Slowly it will take few minutes. Then click stick option. Increase it. Your image is ready. You can also edit your photo. Easy tutorial video. Subscribe my channel. Like this video. Comment. Share your friends. Then click this arrow. Save. Done.